Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the second part of question answer session. We are doing just now revision. So let's start without wasting time. As the today's chapter, that is the microorganism, friends and foe. So we are going to start this session by NCERT exercises. First we will discuss about the fill in the blanks, then tick the correct answer, and later on we will move for the subjective topic. So let's start. First question that is mentioned here, microorganisms can be seen with the help of dash. Obvious, we have already studied by which we are able to see microorganism with the help of microscope. Okay, with the help of microscope we are able to see माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स. ठीक है, माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स को हम किसकी हेल्प से देख सकते हैं? माइक्रोस्कोप. बिकॉज वी आर नॉट एबल, वी कैन नॉट सी द माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म विथ नेकेड आइज और इवन विद द मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास. सो वी हैव टू यूज माइक्रोस्कोप, दैट इज द इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच इज यूज टू सी द माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, blue green algae, these both are, we have studied about it in chapter number 1. Okay, right, in agriculture. Blue green algae fix dash directly from air to enhance the fertility of soil. Soil की fertility को increase करने के लिए these are the algae which are helping in fixation of nitrogen. What could be the answer? It is nitrogen which is used by blue green algae. And what is the work of blue green algae? They are helping in fixation, nitrogen fixation, isn't it? So third is the alcohol produced with the help of yeast. Already we have discussed alcohol is produced with the help of yeast, right? अल्कोहल किसके प्रोडक्शन में काम आता है? ईस्ट में. सॉरी, विद द हेल्प ऑफ ईस्ट के, ईस्ट के थ्रू अल्कोहल प्रोड्यूस होता है. एंड सॉइल इज कन्वर्ट्स, इजंट इट? सॉइल इज कन्वर्ट्स अल्कोहल प्रोड्यूस्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ yeast, with the help of process that is named as yeast. Next, cholera is caused by bacteria. Already we have discussed here, right? See, this is the point. Bacteria can be cause cholera, pneumonia, typhoid and tuberculosis. So if the question is asked like cholera is caused by bacteria only, right? Cholera is caused by bacteria. So your answer must be bacteria. Fine. So next question, that is the tick the correct answer. So first of all we will discuss that yeast is used in the production of. ईस्ट किसके प्रोडक्शन में यूज़ हो रहा है? ऑलरेडी इट केम इन द फिलअप्स ऑल्सो, दैट इज यूज्ड इन, yeast is used in the production of not sugar, no hydrochloric acid, no oxygen, it must be alcohol. Okay, yeast किसके प्रोडक्शन में यूज़ हो रहा है? अल्कोहल. हियर इज द अपोजिट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. अल्कोहल के प्रोडक्शन में कौन सा प्रोसेस यूज हो रहा है? यीस्ट. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन को टर्न कर दिया, यीस्ट इज द यूज्ड इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ अल्कोहल. सो बोथ द आंसर सेम, दोनों में वासा वर्सा ऑपोजिट क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है कि अल्कोहल का प्रोडक्शन किसकी हेल्प से हो रहा है? ईस्ट. और यहाँ पे पूछा गया है फिलअप्स में, ईस्ट इज यूज्ड इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ अल्कोहल. Second is the following is an antibiotic. Which is the thing which is used as antibiotic? That is named as sodium bicarbonate, streptozin, alcohol and yeast. So your answer should be B, that is streptomycin. ठीक है, streptomycin is an antibiotic compound. Third is that carrier of malaria using protozoa is, मलेरिया प्रोटोजोआ है ना, करियर ऑफ मलेरिया. मलेरिया किसके थ्रू होता है? कौन से टाइप के? प्रोटोजोआ के थ्रू होता है. जस्ट नाउ वी टॉक्ड अबाउट कॉलेरा, है ना, फिलअप्स में फोर्थ नंबर डी. कॉलेरा इज यूज्ड कॉज्ड बाय बैक्टीरिया, बट हियर इज मलेरिया. मलेरिया किसकी हेल्प से हो रहा है? मलेरिया कॉजिंग दैट इज बैक्टीरिया. मलेरिया कॉजिंग दैट इज प्रोटोजोआ. मलेरिया किसके कारण हो रहा है? इट इज़ ड्यू टू द प्रोटोजोआ. बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट कॉलेरा इज कॉज्ड बाय बैक्टीरिया, राइट? So here is the question, carrier of malaria causing protozoa is dash. So our answer must be female Anopheles mosquito. Okay, female answer must be A. Female Anopheles mosquito. This is the protozoa which is carrier of malaria डिजीज़. ठीक है, प्रोटोजो ये एक ऐसा प्रोटोजोआ है, एक ऐसा माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म है जिसकी हेल्प से हमें ह्यूमन बीइंग को मलेरिया हो सकता है, एंड दैट इज नेम्ड एज फीमेल एनोफिलस मॉस्किटो. क्लियर? सो योर आंसर, फर्स्ट आंसर शुड बी yeast, that is alcohol, here stramatocyne and here female Anopheles. You can note down the answers also. Moving further, the fourth question that is named as most common carrier of communicable disease. कौन सा कॉमन carrier है, that means कौन सा कॉमन माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म से जिसकी हेल्प से communicable disease can be occur. So the very simple, that must be house fly. हाउस फ्लाई जनरली मूविंग एवरीवेयर है ना, उसके कारण ईजीली कोई भी कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज कैन अकर इन आवर बॉडी. सो वी कैन से हाउस फ्लाई इज़ द मोस्ट कॉमन कैरियर ऑफ कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज. सबसे ज़्यादा वो मूव यहाँ से वहाँ करती हुई एवरीवेयर दिखती है ना. सो ड्यू टू हाउस फ्लाई दिस एनी कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज कैन बी अकर बाय दिस insect, isn't it? Next, the bread or idli dough rises because of, generally we used to see, आपकी मम्मा रात को या एक दो घंटे इडली की डो को रख देते हैं तो दैट विल बी स्टार्ट टू राइजेस अप. वो धीरे धीरे अपनी जगह से ऊपर मूव होने लगता है ना, उसकी साइज में ग्रोथ में इंक्रीज हो जाता है. And that is same with bread also. So why it occurs, why it happens? It happens due to the growth of yeast cell, right? Due to the growth of yeast cell. Your answer must be third. मतलब उसमें yeast के cells में उसमें जल्दी से growth होता जाता है, and due to this process bread or idli dough rises up, right? Next question is the process of conserving of sugar into alcohol. शुगर को अल्कोहल में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए क्या चाहिए हमें? शुगर को अल्कोहल में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज फर्मेंटेशन. ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिस्कस्ड, राइट, कि द प्रोसेस ऑफ कंजर्विंग ऑफ शुगर वेयर यीस्ट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड, राइट. अल्कोहल प्रोड्यूस्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ यीस्ट. in the process of the process of conversion of sugar का conversion हो रहा है किसके through? that is शुगर का कन्वर्जन हो रहा है उसके ड्यूरिंग अल्कोहल प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, एंड दैट प्रोसेस इज नेम्ड एज यीस्ट, राइट. सो इन सारे प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं फर्मेंटेशन. So here we can say process of conversion of sugar into alcohol. Process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation, right? So you can note down the answer. First D, question number D, answer must be housefly. Question number E, their answer must be growth of yeast cell, and F question number that answer should be fermentation, right? Moving further, the next topic of this chapter, that is the objective again question, that is the match the following. So first question is given bacteria. So bacteria causing cholera, that we already discussed, right? Bacteria causing cholera. So your answer must be 1 E. Answer 1 match will be E. Second, rhizobium are fixing nitrogen, right? राइजोबियम सेम विद ब्लू ग्रीन अलगई के लिए हम बात की थी ना. ब्लू ग्रीन अलगई एंड राइजोबियम आर द स्मॉल ऑर्गेनिज्म विच हेल्प इन फिक्सिंग नाइट्रोजन. सो विथ 2 आंसर मस्ट बी फिक्सिंग नाइट्रोजन, दैट मीन्स ए, राइट. राइजोबियम हेल्प इन फिक्सिंग नाइट्रोजन. Third, lactobacillus. What is the lactobacillus? It is one type of acid which is help in conversion milk to curd, right? Which is help in conversion of milk to curd. So answer must be setting of curd. So lactobacillus that is used. So third you can match with B, right? Downside answer is also given. Lactobacillus used for setting of curd. Okay, this is a one type of acid which generally create when we turn mix milk to curd by pouring some 1 spoon of curd. अगर milk गर्म milk में हम 1 spoon or full spoon of curd उसमें pour कर रहे हैं, so what will be the result? It turns after 5 or 6 hours, it will turn completely in curd. So we can say lactobacillus is the acid which is used to convert milk into curd. Next is yeast. So what is the answer? Very easy. Yeast general just now in blanks in objective MCQs in E number question we have talked, right? What is the use of yeast? Yeast is used in baking of bread or idli dough, right? Downside answers is given. Yeast is used in baking of bread or idli. Okay. Then protozoa. Protozoa is causing malaria. Protozoa is causing malaria. Just now we talked about protozoa causing carrier of malaria causing protozoa is female Anopheles mosquito, right? Female Anopheles mosquito. So your answer must be here D, right? With protozoa, this answer must be protozoa causing malaria, that is named as female Anopheles mosquito. Next, last is virus. Virus के कारण क्या हो सकता है? Just now we are talking about COVID-19. Then causing AIDS, right? So your answer must be in front of the question. So that is the virus causing AIDS. Just now we are facing with the disease, that is COVID-19, that is due to only virus. Okay, so till here we have completed all objective question answers. Let's start short type of question answer. So first question, can microorganism be seen with naked eyes? If not, how can they be seen? Very easy question of this chapter. माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म को हम नेकेड आई से नहीं देख सकते. नो, माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स cannot be seen with naked eyes because they are too small. We can see them under a microscope. उसको हम माइक्रोस्कोप की हेल्प से ही देख सकते हैं, उसको हम नेकेड आई से नहीं देख सकते बिकॉज दे आर वेरी टू स्मॉल इन साइज. उनका साइज इतना छोटा होता है कि उनको हम ओपन आँखों से नहीं देख सकते. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट आर द 4 मेजर ग्रुप ऑफ माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म? दैट आल्सो आई डिस्कस्ड. 4 major group of microorganisms are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae and virus. These all are the 4 major groups of microorganisms. By these groups, easily diseases can be infected to any person. Okay, easily disease occurs by these type of microorganisms. Here we are talking as microorganisms are 4, है ना, not friendly. See, somewhere microorganisms are also friendly. Due to this reason only chapter name is written like friend or foe. मतलब microorganisms हमेशा harmful नहीं होते. In some cases they are too much helpful. As we talked about, they are nitrogen fixing carrier. उनके कारण से ही nitrogen fixing, atmosphere में जो भी nitrogen का circle चल रहा है, that is due to these type of microorganism. So there we can say they are working like, they are functioning like friend, है ना, वो हमारे friendly work कर रहे हैं. Just now we had talked about conversion of curd to milk. At there they are helpful. They are also helpful in converting curd to milk. So they are working like friendly. But in some cases where communicable disease and non-communicable disease they are working like foe, right? They are working like enemy we can say. सो इन्हीं के कारण हमारे अगर जो डिजीज़ स्प्रेड हो रही हैं, तो अगर इनके कारण स्प्रेड हो रही है, दैट मीन्स दे आर नॉट अवर फ्रेंड्स, है ना. एट देयर वी कैन से दे आर वर्किंग लाइक फो, बट इन सम केसेस वी कैन से दे आर बेनिफिशियल फॉर ह्यूमन बीइंग ऑल्सो. Next question, name the microorganism which can fix atmospheric nitrogen. Here the microorganism working like friend, right? तभी friendly हैं, तभी तो यहाँ पे atmospheric nitrogen को fix करने का काम कर रहे हैं, isn't it? Okay, so here we can say they are working like friend. Let's see what's the answer. Here we have to say the name microorganism. वो कौन सा microorganism है due to which which is helpful for fixing atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. So very good answer, rhizobium. This is generally asked. ठीक, okay, rhizobium bacteria and blue green algae can fix nitrogenic atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. Again I am repeating, this is very important question. Generally it is asked which type of bacteria is helpful in fixing nitrogen cycle of the atmosphere. So here the answer must be rhizobium, rhizobium. Rhizobium bacteria and blue green algae can fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. So here we have completed all small short type question answer. Let's start the long answer question. First question, right, some usefulness of microorganism in our lives. This is the question related our friendly. Okay, they are working like friend. Okay, they are working like friendly. So here the question is related that microorganisms are harmful or beneficial in our lives. How they are helpful? Let's see. So first point is given, microorganisms are the decomposers and they help in the recycling of substances को recycle करने में microorganisms are the decomposers. Okay. Second, blue green algae, that is just now we have talked about question number 6 in very short. Blue green algae and rhizobium bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compound and increase the fertility of soil. Very important sentence. They are helpful in increasing the fertility of soil. So these are the these are the microorganisms by which nitrogen fixation work is go on. Next is Lactobacillus. Just now we have talked about in MCQs. Lactobacillus help in the formation of milk product like curd and cheese. They are helpful. ठीक है, जो हम कर्ड ईट कर रहे हैं उसमें भी माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं, बट दे आर वेरी मच हेल्पफुल, हाइजीनिक फॉर आवर बॉडी. दैट इज़ वाई कर्ड इज़ वेरी गुड. कर्ड जनरली माना जाता है कि हमें हमारी डाइट में लेनी चाहिए. We know there are microorganisms in that named as, जो microorganism कर्ड में include होता है, that name is lactobacillus. This is the name of microorganism. Okay, और वो किस में हेल्प कर रहा है? That will help in the formation of milk product like curd and cheese. And due to this lactobacillus, our body will get good health. That is why curd is always suggested that we must take in our diet. Next is yeast. Yeast help in the formation of alcohol. No need to explain this. The sentence came 2-3 times in this chapter. So this is the yeast by which is helpful in formation of alcohol and bakery products like bread, cakes, idli, you know. Next is that products like idli and dosa are prepared by the action of fungi. Products like idli and dosa are prepared by the action of fungi. Medicines such as penicillin are made from fungi. This is the again helpful fungi. Fungi is the group of microorganism which is helping in making in production of the medicines. Okay, कुछ medicines में फंजाई नाम का माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म हेल्पफुल होता है. दैट इज़ वाई वी कैन से दीज ऑल माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स आर समटाइम्स वेरी मच हेल्पफुल, यूजफुल. दैट इज़ वाई दे विल वर्किंग लाइक आर फ्रेंड्स, राइट. Next is mushroom. Mushroom are also edible fungi. This is edible means the things with the substance which are used as in food, which we are generally used in our food. So mushroom are also edible fungi. This is the group of fungi. This is the group of microorganism named as fungi. But though it is used as edible, right? Algae cell extracts such as agar are used for preparing medicine, food and cosmetic. बहुत सारी medicines में, food items में and cosmetic items में भी इन microorganisms का use होता है. Kelp, a brown algae, is a rich source of iodine and potassium. Okay, this is also helpful in some type of these nutrition like iodine and potassium, which is absorbed, which is captured by our body. So this is also a rich source of these potassium and iodine, that is named as kelp and brown algae. Both are the again group of microorganisms. Many type of seaweeds are used as food. हमें पता है ना, बहुत सारे sea animals हैं, बहुत सारे sea में कुछ downside कुछ ऐसे substances हैं which are generally used as a food and which are also helpful microorganism, but they are generally used as in China and Japan, not in our country, but though they are also used as our food, that is why they are working like microorganism, a useful microorganism, and that is why they named as friend, right? They are friendly. So by this question we can understand microorganisms usefuls. We can understand that microorganism not only working as a foe, but they are helpful in our day-to-day life as a friend. So hope so you all have understood the question answer of this chapter. In next video lecture we will discuss about some another topic which we are going to take in next third unit test, which will be held on October. Okay, so till that, take care, goodbye.